Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. If you're dealing with the dreaded E23 error code on your 2025 Frigidaire washer, you're in the right place. This error usually signals a problem with the drain pump or a blockage in the drainage system, which can stop your washer mid-cycle and leave you with a soggy load of laundry. Don't panic. I'll walk you through the fixes step by step, so you can get your machine running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your washer from the power outlet before starting any repairs to avoid electrical shocks or accidents. Got that? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Check for clogs in the drain hose. Locate the drain hose at the back of your washer. It's usually connected to the wall or a standpipe. Disconnect it carefully and inspect for any lint, debris, or kinks that might be blocking the flow. If you find something, clear it out with a hose or a small brush, then reattach it securely. Next, up is step 2. Examine the pump filter. Most Frigidaire models have a pump filter at the bottom front of the machine. Twist it open. You might need a coin or a flathead screwdriver, and remove any trapped items like coins, hair, or fabric pieces. Give it a good rinse under warm water and put it back. This is a common culprit for the E23 code, so don't skip this. Now, for step 3. Test the drain pump itself. If the filter was clean, you may need to access the pump. Unplug the washer again, remove the lower panel if necessary, and check the pump for any visible damage or blockages. If it looks faulty, you might need to replace it. That's a bit more advanced, so consider calling a pro if you're not comfortable. Once you've completed these steps, plug your washer back in and run a test cycle. If the E23 error persists, it could be an electrical issue or a faulty sensor, so it's time to contact Frigidaire customer support or a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the filter every few months can prevent this error from happening again. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. See you next time.